Go on, do a wheelie or something. Thank you. So it's officially the middle of winter, it's freezing cold and I'm looking for an excuse to get out on the bike. I've planned a bit of an easy route round where I live, just some local lanes, just so I can run through for fun facts that you might not know about green laning. So we're not getting through there. First thing I come across, up and over, do you reckon? Well, we did it. I moved me phone forward, but we got through. Got myself a quad lock for Christmas. Just testing it out, see how I get on. I've already pushed it forward, trying to get over that tree. So this first fun fact that I have today is called ghost rides. I'd never actually heard of this. After doing a little bit of research, I found that across Wales, this is more known, but the lanes and some of the roads around there are so abandoned and derelict that it is literally like riding through a ghost town. Let's have a look in here. Oh shit, there's like a little track in here. Someone's built a little pit bike track. There's a double there. What do you reckon, Rick? Oh shit, this is pretty cool. You can just tell that I haven't lived there for a long time. Because back where I used to live, I knew where all these little places were. But this is what you get when you come out exploring. I've found a little pit bike track. Kind of want to try that jump back round there. Up. Hey! Well, this is pretty cool. I'll come back here. Right, let's get out of here before we get told off. Thing is, we're across someone's field now. I didn't really want to do that. Oh well. Ah, so this ends up halfway along a lane that I've done before. This is all making sense. Looks like we've got something half burnt out down here. Don't know what it is. So this is what gives people a bad name. Like, I've got to now try and get up and round. I'm getting distracted. I'm not even talking about what we're meant to be talking about. Ping! I've got these sticky things on my gloves. We found this little random guy. I came down here just a minute ago. There's like a tree halfway across it.
You don't go through that?
You can, but you got to go up over and literally jump over the log. Yeah, have a look, mate. There's loads on there, but I might see you out and about in a bit. I'm going to spin around there. If you want to, go and do a wheelie or something. I'm going that way. Cool, you can tell they've been spreading the fields. It stinks around here. Another fun fact that I found on the internet that I knew nothing about, that not just for green laning but the off-road community, we use different apps and different things to get about so we know where we're going. These apps and this technology was used to actually help the Mars rover roam Mars. So it sounds a little bit far-fetched that off-roading helped the Mars rover, but it did. The technology that they used is exactly what we've got in our OS apps. It was really overgrown last time I came. Look, someone's just been down here and cut a load of stuff out. Looks like we've got some puddles coming up. Ah, nothing too bad. Stick in the middle or either side. No, it's absolutely nothing. So if you're from America, I'm sure you would have heard this more than us over here in the UK, but the term overlanding. We call it green laning, slightly similar, you call it overlanding. But have you ever heard of undergrounding? Probably not, because I just made it up. But basically, the Lowther Hills, I think they're called, there's a cave. But up there they have an abandoned radar station that's, from what I understand, a massive cave type thing, underground, but it's all legal to ride on. It is nice having all these lanes on the doorstep. I wasn't sure if I could be bothered to go out, but now I'm out, I'm enjoying it. around with the phone just to see what it's like. I don't want to make a review video of something that I've not used, so we're going to play around with it for a couple of weeks, see how we get on. So this fun fact does actually sound extremely fun. I would like to give it a go. I've seen a few videos on YouTube and TikTok and everything about it. There's different locations across the UK. What it is a historic car rally through green lanes. So they'll shut a certain load of green lanes off. And there's like old MGs and Minis, a lot of convertibles for some reason. But these cars are trying to get up these green lanes, these byways, but they're all quite steep. And you see them sitting on the back, you can't see me doing it, but I'm jumping up and down, trying to get the wheels to get a bit of traction. And we're up, we made it. That's nice because it's straight, you can see if anyone's coming down. Give a little bit of beans without annoying anyone or potentially driving into someone. Right, this next one is just here opposite the Robin Hood pub. We'll go down here, I think, along, back up the other side, oh no, back down, sorry. We're going to go down here along, then back up this one. And I think I'll call it there for a day.